you're there, you can drop me a hi in the chat box, okay? If you're there, say hi to me in the chat box. Hello, Irene. Welcome back. MC Daniel, good morning. Muhammad Kashfi. You can drop me a hi in the chat box, okay? If you're there, say oops, it is streamed live on YouTube. Yep. All right. Hi guys, good morning. For those, okay, I just want to do a reminder for your friends who are joining this session and they're not here yet, or they didn't get the link. Just going to share this link over here. This is the Zoom link. They can come in and join the Zoom. Okay. So good morning. Thank you for your effort, everyone, for coming in so early in the morning. It's not early lah, huh? You all pergi sekolah lagi awal kan? 7:30 start school, 8 o'clock start school. Yeah. So hi, my name is Brian, and welcome and thank you for joining the SPM Final Sprint Workshop presented by International Medical University, IMU. Yes, today's subject is going to be modern mathematics, modern maths, mod maths. Yeah. So, guys, take this opportunity and get as much as you can from Cikgu Faizal. And before we start our session today, I'm just going to quickly show you a quick 3 minutes video from our sponsor, International Medical University. All right, guys. Thank you so much for staying tuned with us. And that is International Medical University, a premier health science university in Malaysia, established in 1992. Yeah, they have been training all sorts of health science professionals from dentistry to medicine to pharmacy to nutritional dietetics and chiropractic, Chinese medicine, all sorts of health science professional. If you are interested, feel free to visit their campus in one of their open days in Bukit Jalil. Okay, without further ado, we have Cikgu Faizal. Cikgu Faizal is the Ketua Panitia Bidang Matematik for SMK Taman Petaling, and also he is the Jurulatih Utama for the PPD. And today he's going to be doing a final preparation for you guys in the area of modern maths. Take it over, Cikgu Faizal. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Ryan. Hi, Assalamualaikum and good morning, everyone. Okay, my name is Cikgu Faizal. Already, Mr. Brian told you guys. Okay, previously, I'm asking Brian, because this is my first time. Okay, so I'm asking Brian, did I need to prepare everything in English or BM? He just said this is for modern math, so I'm gonna mix lah. Okay, for you guys. Okay, so if got anything, just check. Okay. Okay, so this is before we are going to discuss. Okay, this is what you are going to have in our the format. Okay, format mathematics. Okay, this is you all. I know you all know already, right? Because you are going to have it in on the 6th, right? 6th February. Okay, so there are going to be paper one and paper two. Okay, paper one and paper two, of course. Okay, paper one is going to be for your objective, and paper two, they are going to be three sections. Okay, for today, we are going to discuss more on paper two, where we have our section A, section B, and section C over here. Okay, they are going to be for section A, there are going to be 10 questions. Section B, 5 questions. Section C is going to be 2 questions where you are going to select only one. Okay, for the marks over here for paper one, already you know 40 questions with 40 marks, and paper two, there are going to be 80 marks there. Okay, and for the duration of our test over here, 1 hour and 30 minutes for paper one, and 2 hours and 30 minutes for paper two. Okay, so this one, I think you all know already lah. The aras kesukaran rendah, sederhana, tinggi, and also they are going to be K but okay. Okay, and for your information, please bring, of course, when we are going to go to war, we need a weapon. But in mathematics, you are going to need your calculator. Okay, calculator scientific yang tidak boleh diprogram, of course lah. I have my 570 ms. You maybe EX, right? Okay, and also don't forget your geometry set. Geometry set, because that's going to be for your maybe lah, because for our KSSM, okay, KSSM is going to be consist from form 1 until form 5. Okay, form 1 until form 5. So maybe the questions involving locus, okay, and of course lah, the what plan and elevation. Plan and elevation, if it's coming out, the what, the what you are going to draw for the circling. Okay, this is for the analysis that I got for the paper 2 only. Okay, if you look over here, we have our the SPM 2021. Okay, SPM 2022. And I have over here SPM 2022, SPMU and SPM 2022. If you look over here, the questions involving is more on form 4 and form 5. But don't forget, it can be in our lower form. But lower form is going to be yeah, I'm not going to say less because I also don't know what the question is coming out, right? Because it's going to be consist from Form 1 until Form 5. But if you can look over here, okay, if you can look over here, the Form 5, okay, Form 5, I'm going to say that it's going to be all the topics coming out. Right, but it's going to be random lah over here. And for Form 4, okay, it's going to be in paper in section A, section B, section C, and so on there. Okay, and this one for the plan and elevation for our 2021 is coming out, but 2022 is coming out, not coming out, but I'm gonna say is okay. Okay, and then for the lower form, if you can see there, our circle. Oh, okay. Before I forgot, because you are in KSSM, okay, for KSSM, we have the new chapter, which is you learn from Form 3 until Form 5, which is the financial mathematics, isn't it? Okay, financial mathematics. If you look there in Form 3, simpanan, pelaburan, kredit, dan hutang. Okay, it's coming out there. Okay, it's coming. Okay, also in Form 5, okay, percukaian and insurance, okay, definitely there. And if you look in Form 4, okay, pengurusan kewangan. Okay, so that's the topic. That's the topic that I'm gonna discuss with you in this morning. Okay, so of course lah, everyone got target, right? So if you look over here, if your target for your A plus, because we are going to discuss over here all the students in the Zoom here, okay, all target, okay, we have to target the highest one, okay, the highest one. Okay, for paper 2, if you look there, of course lah, we don't know our marks, but we are going to targeting lah. Okay, for your paper 1, at least 32 marks to get your A plus over here. But I'm not saying you are going to ask how about the graph and everything, right? For the marking graph, right? Okay, that one we are not going to touch that one because that one is under LPM. Okay. Okay, for those who are going to for A, you can see over here lah, okay, and at least for you to pass, at least for you to pass over here, paper 2, 40 marks, paper 1, 10 only. Okay, later we are going to discuss for the tips and so on. Okay, so we are going to look at this is the topic that we are going to discuss over here. I got matrix, set, the what persamaan linear. Okay, this one the questions. Okay, okay, all the questions over here I'm going to discuss our trial. Okay, trial from the other state previously. Okay, so for the matrix, okay, they are going to be linear equation in with in our two variable. Okay, okay, for matrix, when you are going to read, okay, the story, of course lah, matrix in our for problem solving matrix, okay, they are going to be give you a situation. Okay, give you a situation. From the situation, you are going to have it in our linear equation. Okay, linear equation, and of course, from the situation, you are going to have two unknown. Okay, two unknown, and then we are going to have it into a matrix form. Okay, this one is our matrix Sonsang. Okay, and then we are going to determine the value for x and y, or your two variable. Okay, we are going to look at our first questions over here. Okay, so this one, if you look in our 5 marks given in section A lah, this one. Okay. Okay, Kamal and his friend went to a restaurant after watching a movie. He ordered 2 glasses of drink. If you look over there, the price of a glass of coffee latte is 4 times the price of a glass of lychee. So you have 2 types. right? Two types of our drinks over here. So after you have that one, what we are going to do, where did my, okay, okay. Oh, because this one with, there can I, okay, no problem. Okay, first of all, you are going to have over here is your coffee latte. And the second one you have over here is a lychee. Okay, lychee. So you are going to determine over here with the two unknown, like I said previously, right? Okay, so you are going to have over here as our coffee latte. Okay, coffee lah. I'm going to say this is going to be your coffee. I'm going to say it's going to be our X. And for the lychee over here, I'm going to say is as our Y. Okay, the total price. Oh, sorry. The first one there. Okay. Coffee latte is 4 times the price of a glass of lychee. So you have your first linear equation already. So coffee latte is going to be X there, right? It's 4 times the price of our lychee is going to be our Y. So obviously, we are going to have our first equation here is X equals to 4Y. Why did I say 4Y? Because it's 4 times the price, right? For our lychee there. And then for our second information given over here, the total price of 2 glasses of coffee latte. Okay, you have over here 2 glasses of coffee latte. Okay, and 3 glasses of lychee. Oh, I'm using the wrong color. Okay, 3 glasses of lychee. Okay, is 27 ringgit and 50 cents. So what you are going to have over here, we are going to have our second, okay, our second equation over here, 2x and 3 glasses of lychee, isn't it? So you are going to have over here 3y equals to 27 and 50. So if you have one of our equation over here is right, so they are going to be rewards you 1 marks over here. Okay, this one by using, okay, if you are not using metric method, can we solve this one? Yes, you can solve this one using the other method, which is what? You can use what? You can use penghapusan, okay, elimination, or you can use the substitution, penggantian, right? But this one, if you are using the other two method there, okay, one more method, sorry, it's graph method, right? Graph method also can. Okay, graph method, that one is going to be in our form 2, low form, right? But this question is asking you to use the metric method, so it a must, okay? Okay, find the price, okay, for a glass of coffee latte and a glass of lychee, which means you are going to have our coffee latte as our X, and also for the lychee for our Y. Okay, like I said previously, that what you are going to do over here after you have your linear equation, I'm going to have it into my matrix. Okay, I'm going to have it in matrix form. Okay, before that, if you look at our first equation there, first equation, our y is on our right side, right? So I'm going to change first. I'm going to change my first equation there. If you look, okay, I'm going to have it as same as our second equation, which means we are going to have our y variable to the left side. So you're going to have over here x minus with 4y equals to 0. Okay, when you have like this, and you have to remember, okay, the x and y there. If you look there, x and y, if x, sometimes the questions is going to be trick you a little bit, okay, kadang-kadang lah kan, okay. So we are gonna follow the questions, and you are going to write, okay, you are going to write your linear equation, but you have to remember, okay, sometimes maybe your y is going to be at front. So you have to rearrange. So make sure your X and Y is going to be, X is in front lah. Okay, but it's not a must. But for me, I'm going to say it's in alphabetical order. Lagi senang lah kan. Okay, so this one, after you have over here, I'm going to have it in our matrix form. Okay, if you are going to have in matrix form over here, you have your X. Okay, what value for our X there? They are going to be 1, isn't it? So I'm going to have over here, first 1. This one is going to be what? Negative, negative 4. This is going to be 2. This is going to be 3 because you are going to have everything like this in our matrix form. And of course, this one, like I said just now, X, Y. Okay, if you don't have the X at the back or Y at the front, okay, so you have to rearrange. So this one, you are going to get 0, 27, and 50. If the examiner see this one, you are going to have another one more marks. Okay, after you have like this, what we are going to do over here, okay, some of you say, okay, we can use our calculator, right? But you have to show. You have to show. Okay, you have to show to the in our calculation over here how you are going to have it in our identity matrix. Okay, how you are going to have it using your what we call the formula. The formula over here, which is you are going to get A, B, C, D, isn't it? The butterfly. I'm saying butterfly this one. I'm using butterfly this one. Okay, where you are going to have for A and D over here, we are going to what we call rearrange that one. Okay, and flip lah. 3 to the A, D to the A to the D, and for our B and C over here, we are going to change only the negative value. If we have negative there already, you are going to get for positive. If positive, you are going to get negative. So you are going to have over here, first of all, this is going to be 1 over AD minus BC. Am I right? So you have to show AD, which one is going to be A? 1. Which one is going to be D? Is 3. And this one, we are going to follow AD minus with our BC. Okay, this one, you no need to change first. Okay, negative 4. And also, they are going to be 2. Okay, just rewrite first. Okay, the formula is going to be given in front of your questions paper. Okay, then this one, like what we have just now, I'm going to have my butterfly there. Okay, this is going to be 3, 1. This is going to be 4. This is going to be negative 2. And don't forget your what? There. 0 and 27, 50. Okay, after this, yes, you can use your calculator. I think everyone know already, right? How to use your calculator, okay, to get the answer over here, okay? So by using the calculator, you are going to have already the value for our X and Y, okay? I'm going to shortcut already this one, X, Y over here. By using our calculator, mode, okay, EQN. Okay, I'm going to get my X over here is 10. Okay, and our Y here is going to be 2.5. Okay. Okay. If you leave your answer like this, can we have marks? Okay, you are not going to have your marks. Why? Because this is still in matrix form. Okay, still in matrix form. Okay, so you are going to have, you are not going to have another 1 more marks. For this one, only given to you 1 marks. Okay, so you supposedly, we are going to have over here what? We are going to, you are going to rewrite back what you have just now, coffee, right? So we can rewrite back, okay, coffee, or you are going to say X, okay, equals to RM 10 ringgit. And then you are going to have your lychee. Your Y here is going to be RM 2 ringgit and 50 cents. If you have the answer that this is for the additional mathematics, you don't need to put the hashtag there. Okay, okay. In maths mods, yes, can. Okay, mathematics modern, no problem. Okay, so this is how I'm going to share to you how you are going to get the marks over here, right? Okay, so the marks that we are going to have over here, 1 marks over here for your kerja one. This one you have your in our matrix form. And then you rearrange over here, another 1 more marks given. And this one, if you are given like this, like I say, you are going to have only 1 marks. But if you are given already the coffee and the lychee over here, this is going to be your final mark given. So there are going to be 5 marks given over here. Okay, this is in our matrix form. Matrix form, the question for matrix. Okay, so I'm going to straight away to our second one over here. Okay, because there are going to be a lot, so I'm going to skip everything, all the questions. We are going to look at our set over here. Okay, now for the set, this one I prepare in in Bahasa, no problem, right? Okay. First of all, there are going to be two. Okay, I have over here two types of set over here. Okay, two types of questions. Okay, the first one, if you look over here, what I given over here, this is for the shaded. Okay, lorekan. Okay, so it's going to be given to you the what we call the diagram. Okay, the diagram. Okay, and it's going to be given to you the operation, what you are going to have, right? Okay, first of all, in our diagram, they are not going to have any elements. Okay, so what I'm going to suggest to you here is you are going to use your Roman number, okay, or you can have A, B, C, okay, no problem, right? That one, okay, and then you are going to list all our element. If you have it in Roman, okay, you can have in each of the side. And this one, I think all know already. We are going to have our board mass, right? From our form one, you already learned this one. If you have your bracket, we are going to solve the bracket first, and then from left to right, lah. Okay. This one just for your information only. I know everyone here is already know. Okay, I just want to just to share. Okay, for the form of our intersection, they are going to be silang. Kalau for the Malay, we have and there. I using and there for our intersection. And for the union there, you have semua. Okay, for semua. If in English, they are going to be what? Intersection, right? Intersection. There. You have also. For the what? Union. Union. You have already there. Both we are going to have our symbol there, and this one is going to be for our what complement. So I put there luar set L there. Okay, and then after you have everything, okay, you are going to shade all the region that we have over here. Okay, so I'm going to discuss over here for the what we have just now. Okay, this also from our trial questions. Okay, the Venn diagram analysis space shows set P, set Q, and set R such that the universal set P union Q union R on the diagram analysis space shade the set. Okay, first of all, we have over there P intersect with Q. P intersect with Q. Okay, the second question we have there is the complement of Q union with R and intersect with P. Okay, like I told you previously, what we are going to do over here, okay, what I'm going to do, I'm going to have it in a Roman. I'm going to use Roman lah. Okay, so this one, I'm going to have my first one, second region over here. Third region is going to be inside here. Third one. Fourth is going to be where? Over here. Okay. Fifth is going to be here. Okay. How about the Q there? It's going to be different region with our 2, 3, and 4 there, right? So you can have over here 6 and also 7 there, because it's going to be different there. Okay, so what we are going to have over here, the first one we are going to have is going to be our P. Okay, for the P over here, I'm going to have all the elements there. It's going to be 1, 2, and 3. If you can see this one, sorry, this is going to be for our set P. Okay, so you're going to have over here 1, 2, and also 3 there. Okay, how about the Q? Okay, the Q we are going to have all inside here for the Q. Okay, I'm going to have all the inside there. Okay, that's going to be for our Q. Oh, sorry. I'm going to have what? 2, 3, 4 is not there, 5, 6, and also 7 there. Okay, if you can do not know how to write, kalau tak tahu untuk Roman, no problem. Okay, you boleh guna nombor lah. Okay, nombor 1, 2, 3. Okay, no problem. Okay, as long as you can determine which region. Tahu yang mana yang satu Okay, and then for the last one over there, you are going to have your R. Okay, R is going to be everything here. There. So you are going to have your element for R here is going to be 3, 4, and 5. Okay, first step, you have to have your Roman for each of the region. Okay, like I just did just now. Okay, kita letak dulu semuanya, and then we are going to list. Okay, is it a must? No, I'm going to say this is what I'm going to share with you. Okay, maybe some of you say, oh, I'm using okay, carry on, no problem. It's not a must. Okay, so I'm going to use this one. Okay, because I already got this one, so I'm going to copy this one straight away lah. Okay, so after I have this one, sorry, okay, I'm going to answer the first question there. Okay, the first question that we are going to answer here is going to be our, sorry. Okay. I'm familiar with the one. Okay, we are going to answer. The first one over here is this one. Okay. If you look there, it say what? P intersect with Q. So this one easy questions, right? But I'm going to share it also because some of you, alamak, why did I cannot? Okay. Some of you can understand this one. Okay, no problem. We're sharing only, right? For today. Okay, P intersect with Q. So we are going to look at our P and Q. Which one is going to be the same there? If you look there, there are going to be 2 also here. There are going to be 3. And this is going to be 3. Is there any more same? Like we using this one is what? For silang, right? Just now, intersection N, right? So they are going to be in the region of 2 and 3 only. So what we are going to do over here, you are going to shade at the 2 and the 3. Sometimes be careful. Okay, overshading. Overshading also is going to be loose marks. So you are going to penalty with 1 marks over here. Okay, this is easy questions, of course lah. There are going to be only 1 marks there. Okay, for the shade. Okay, how about the second one? How about the second one? Okay, for the second one, copy back. Okay. Okay, the second one we are going to have over here is going to be our operation. Okay, if you look over here, the operation that, oh, sorry. Okay. The operation that you, why is copying? It's copying this one. Sorry. Okay, the operation that we are going to have over here for the second one here is saying that we have our complement, right? Complement of Q, but you are not having our complement there. But you have your elements for set Q, isn't it? So what we are going to do over here, we are going to state first our complement of Q. What is complement of Q? Just now I said luar Q, right? Luar Q, if you look there, I given already in the green one there. So what is not in our set Q there is going to be 1 and also 5 there. That's the element that we have. So what we are going to have over here, we are going to look all the, okay, this is going to be the using of our union, isn't it? Semua. So you have already our complement of Q and you have already your set of R there. So I'm going to state everything here. Okay, straight away for our complement Q union with R, you are going to have over here 1 and then followed by 3 and then followed by 4 and 5. Everything. Everything in R and everything in our Q here. Complement of Q, sorry. Okay, after you have that one, okay, the next one we have over here is going to be what? You are going to have your intersect. Okay, intersect over here, it must what? Same. Same element with our P, sorry. Okay, so you are going to compare. Okay, the set P just now we have 1. This one also you have 1. Set P you have 2. In our just now we have our union just now we don't have 2, right? 3, yes, we have 3. That's all. Right? The 1, 4 and 5 they don't have in our set P, don't have. So you are going to shade only 1 and also 3. That's it. So just answer your questions there. 1 and 3, finish. Okay. So I hope is going to be help you lah. For those who are not knowing about this how to shape. Okay, so in our set, like I said previously, that we are going to have another one which is going to be our problem solving. For problem solving over here is going to be more than 3 marks lah, obviously. Okay, so what we have over here. Okay, let me. Okay. Satu tinjauan, this one I in Malay pula, tadi in English. Okay, satu tinjauan telah dilakukan terhadap 40 orang murid tentang alat peranti yang dimiliki oleh murid tingkatan 15 tari di sebuah sekolah. Terdapat 3 alat peranti yang disenaraikan iaitu tablet, telefon pintar dan laptop. Okay, if you look over here, it's given already. Okay, it's given already the set over here for set P, set Q, and set R. Isn't it? Tablet for P, for our smartphone is Q, and for the laptops over here is going to be for the R. Okay, maklumat mereka menunjukkan utusan tinjauan tersebut. Okay, it's given. Okay, it's given over here. 16 people have tablets, 70 smartphone, 18 laptop, 6 have both tablet and smartphone, 7 have smartphone and laptops, 2 have tablets, smartphone, and laptops. Okay, the number of people who have smartphones only is 2 times the number of people who have has laptop only. Oh, okay, it's given like this, right? Okay, so okay, we look at the question. Okay, complete the Venn diagram in the answer space on the given information. Okay, so what we are going to do over here, it just gives to you what? It just gives to you P, Q, and R already just now, right? Okay, so you are using, okay, what I'm going to do over here, I'm going to take this one. This is why I like my OneNote. Okay, so I'm using the information that we have over here. Okay, I hope you can see, right? This one, okay. With the information, I'm going to draw. Okay, first of all, what I have over here, the keywords that I'm going to use, either our our set P, set Q, and set R is going to be intersect with each other or not. Okay, I'm going to look at the last one, not the last one lah. This one, this one. If you look over here, it gives to you that the two peoples over here, we are going to have in our set P, in our set Q, and in our set R there. So you are going to have intersect with each other. So means that for our Venn diagram, we are going to have for our set P, okay, set Q, and also set R is going to be intersect each other. Okay, so okay lah, this one we have already P for the tablets. This one, but I'm not going to put 16 straight away. Okay, P. Okay, for set Q, you are gonna have for the smartphone. This one for smartphone, and our set R. Okay, this is gonna be your R over here. We are gonna have this one is orange. Okay, no problem. Okay, for the laptops. Okay, so like I say, okay, we are going to do first is going to be from okay. Why? Because I'm going to have that one two first. Two is going to be where? Two is going to be inside here. Two is going to be inside here. Two. Okay. Two there is going to be for the tablets, for our set P, smartphone for the Q, and for the laptop for set R there. Okay. Then I'm going to have the other one there. Okay. 7 people have smartphone. Okay. Just now smartphone is going to be for our Q, right? Smartphone and laptops. Laptops is going to be for our R. It say already 7. Wait, where is going to be 7 over here? If you look, the intersection between our smartphone, this one smartphone, and also our laptops, P and Q and R there. So where is it? It's going to be over here, inside here. Everything there is going to be 7. So when there are going to be 7, including our two peoples that have both all three or all three gadgets there, tablet, smartphone, and laptops, means what? Means you are going to have over here 7 minus with 2. So you are going to have in the middle here is going to be 5. So the total there is going to be 7. 5 plus 2. Okay, same goes for our next one over here. 6 people have both. Okay, we have over here tablets and also smartphone. So if you look over here, what you are going to do? Where is it? Tablets and smartphone. Tablet and smartphone is going to be at where? At our P and also at our Q there. So it's going to be inside here. P and Q intersect in that region. So obviously lah, like just now, I'm minus with 2. So this one also, you are going to minus with 2. So means that inside there, you are going to have 4. 4 plus 2 means that you are going to get 6 peoples there. And then what we are going to have over here, 18 peoples have laptops. Okay, laptops over here at R. But I cannot put over there straight away. Okay, sorry. This one 18. 18, I'm not going to put straight away, but I'm going to minus with 5. Okay, minus with 2. But we have one more region there. One more region. Where is it? Over here. Between our, it's given over here, the last one there. The number of people have a smartphone. Smartphone is green, right? Smartphone, which is our set Q, only is 2 times the number of people who have laptops only. Only. So this one is going to be what? Only is going to be, you have going to have to look at our Q first. Q first. Q is going to be smartphone, right? Okay, we look at our smartphone because I cannot put at our laptops first because it's going to be related with our Q here. Okay, so Q here we have, where is it? This one. 17. So we have already all the regions there, 4, 2, and 5. Okay, so means what? You are going to minus with 5, minus with 2, minus with 4. 17 there. 17, you minus with 5, minus with 2, minus with 4, you are going to get over here, sorry, 17 lah. 5 minus with 2, minus with 4. You are going to get 6 in our only there. Now that's going to be for the only. What? Smartphone only. Okay, now I can have for my laptops. If you look there, the number of people who have smartphones, okay, the last info there is 2 times. Means that our smartphone is going to be 2 times the number who have laptops only. Laptops only is going to be where is the area for the only? Only is going to be everything here. Is not going to be intersect with our tablets and the smartphone there. So means that how you are going to have this one 2 times. Which one is going to be 2 times? The smartphone. So I'm going to divide by 2. 6 divided by 2. You are going to have in the region for the only there. I'm gonna for the laptops only here. I'm gonna get 3. Okay, by using this one. So you have already that one. So I can have back my information over here. 18 people have a laptops. So I can have what? I can fill it in the section over here. Okay, so if you look, I have 18 minus with 3, minus with 5, minus with 2. What you are going to do over here, by using your calculator, we are going to have 8. Where is it? It's going to be inside here. 8. Okay, if you are going to sum back everything there in our set R, you are going to get 18. And of course lah, for the tablets over here, set P, straight away, we are going to have over here 16 minus with 8, minus with 4, minus with 2 also, we are going to have over here is 2. So you have everything here, okay? So you are going to be awarded with 3 marks. 3 marks given over here straight away. If one of the set there is not going to be filled with the correct one, going to be maybe P1 and P2 given over here. As long as we have our 3 set there first. Okay, P, Q, and R. We have correctly labeled, okay, with the number and also with our P, Q, and R over here. Okay, that's for 3 marks given. Okay, and then if you are, this one is going to be related question. If you have our questions A, obviously, if you look over here, the questions B is going to be regarding our drawing or our Venn diagram. Okay, if you look over here, the questions is going to be straight away direct questions, which is asking for you to state, state only. Okay, if you look there, the number of people who have smartphone only. Smartphone just now is Q, right? Smartphone. I'm using green one. Smartphone only. Smartphone only. Where is it? 6. I have already there. So straight away, got 1 marks. The number of pupils who have tablets and laptops. Tablets and laptop. Tablets and laptop over here is going to be between our tablets P, right? Just now, sorry. Tablets P. Okay, tablets is going to be our set P. And over here is going to be intersect, okay, between our tablet and also laptops. So where is it? It's going to be over here, P and Q, this one. So it's going to be, this one state, okay, you are going to have 8 plus 2 straight away. So you are going to answer here as 10 straight away. Okay, 1 marks given. The number of pupils will have tablets only. Tablets only, you have already. There is going to be in our set P there is going to be 2. 1 marks given. Okay, and another 1 marks over here. The number of pupils who do not have tablet, smartphone, or laptops. Do not. Okay, so we are going to get back to our questions over here. We have what? 40. Yeah. 40 pupils. Right. So if you look over here, is it going to be 40? I'm going to sum up because this one is asking do not. Means that it's going to be uh, in our universal set there. Okay. Supposedly it's going to be in your universal set. So it's going to be 2 plus, I'm going to plus together first, 8 plus 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 5 plus 3. I'm going to get 30. In our set P, set Q, and set R is going to be 30, means outside here going to be 10, which is 40 minus with 30. So you are going to get 10. So this is going to be the pupils that do not have tablet, smartphone, or laptops over here. Okay, you are going to get 10 there. Okay, so straight away, this one is state. Okay, next one. This one given the questions over here, we are going to calculate. Okay, by using the same diagram. That's why I say if you are going to have wrongly answer, kalau salah dekat gambar rajah van tu, shit, everything is going to be related here. Okay, this one, calculate the number for, okay, we are going to solve in our bracket first, this one. P intersect with Q. So if you look there, P intersect with Q. Where is your P and Q? There is going to be our 8 and 2, isn't it? It's going to be 10 there. Right, okay. And then, but it say over here is going to be complement. Luar daripada sana. Okay, so it's going to be our 2 and 3 there. Right, okay. And then intersect with our, wait, sorry, P and Q. Oh, okay, the blue and the green one there, 4 and 2. So it's going to be 2 and 6. Okay, 2 and 6 there. And intersect with our R. So what I'm going to have over here, outside from our P intersect with Q complement is going to be, okay, we are going to have over here intersect with R. So I'm going to have is the 8, okay, 8 plus with our, in our R there, 3. And then I'm going to plus with our, outside from our Q there is 5. So I'm going to have over here is 8, 3, 16, right? Yeah. So the answer here, we are going to get 16. Okay. So you are going to have related with our Venn diagram over here. Okay. So we have, okay. So I need to go this one. Okay. So for our next one over here, this is going to be for our linear inequality. For linear inequality, if you look over here, you are going to draw actually. This one also a lot of marks given. Okay. So we are going to have, actually it's going to be 4 of our symbol over here. Okay, first of all, you are going to get more than or less than. Okay, less than and equals there, more than and equals that. Okay, you are going to use over here your solid. We are using solid padu, garisan padu. Okay, if we don't have equals there, you are going to use dotted line. Putus-putus. Okay, how we are going to shade the region? Okay, if more or more than and equals, so you are going to have everything at our upper side or on the right side. If less than or less than and equals, you are going to shade the lower or the left one. Okay, so we are gonna shade it all the intersection. Okay, so this one straight away lah. We are going to go for our questions over here. Okay, the questions, Anis wants to buy some roses. plants and some orchid plants. The price for roses plant and an orchid plants are 10 ringgit and 15 ringgit respectively. Okay, this one, if you look over here, we are going to rewrite our linear inequality. So what I'm going to do over here, I'm going to have same like what we have in our matrices just now. I'm going to have my x and y lah. Obviously, right? So this one unknown. You can use roses is going to be R. Orchid over here, you are going to have O, but obviously lah, we are going to use X and Y. Okay, so what I'm going to have over here, rose for the X. I'm going to have for the rose, and for the orchid over here, I'm going to have my Y. Okay, so the first sentence there, second sentence there, the price for roses plant and orchid plant is given already. 10 ringgit and 50 ringgit respectively. She has 600 to spend. Okay. Altogether, okay, there 600 only to spend. Okay. So the first question there, write three linear inequalities. Kita nak tulis tiga kesamaan linear. Okay, the first linear inequalities that we have over here is going to be for our second sentence there. Second and third sentence there. Which is you have for your roses is going to be 10x. For your what we call orchid, 15y. And another one given over here is the money. It's going to be, is it can be more than? Cannot. She has only 600 to spend. Okay, so the inequality that we are using over here cannot be more. So it cannot be using more than, right? Can it be ngam 600? Equals to 600 between our roses and also orchid. Can? Yes. Is it can be lesser? Of course lah, because she got 600, can be lesser. But this one, she has 600 to spend. It can be equals or it can be less. So the first inequality that we have over here is going to be 10x plus with 15y. We are going to have less than and equals to 600. This is for our first linear inequality we are going to have. Okay, then the number of plants bought must be at least, you have another word over here, at least 40. At least 40. At least. Can it be more? Yes. Can be equal? Yes. Between what plant? You have roses is going to be X. Okay, because this one is you see the number of plants. So means that what we are going to have over here that roses plus with our orchid over here at least. So you are going to have over here more than and equals to 40. Okay, the words that you are going to have as our linear inequality there. Okay, and the number of roses plants is at most the same as the number of orchid plants. This one is using the third one we have over here, at most the same as. At most the same as. So the number of roses plant is at most can be more. Okay, the same as the number of our orchid plants. So this
Guys, hold on for a while. I'm not sure why teacher have dropped out. Tenang ya, stay calm guys. Ya, I think cikgu tak realize pun. Dia sudah drop out, dia masih ajar. Okay, I guess teacher is back. Yeah. Uh, thank you for your patience, guys. Terima kasih.
Oh, sorry, Ryan.
Ya, tak apa, tak apa, cikgu.
Yeah. Okay. Gonna wear my. Okay, so
Cikgu tak perasan ke tadi?
yeah, I didn't. Okay, so where? Okay, so means that saya nak kena mula balik. Okay. This question we tadi dah sempat ke? Belum. Belum lagi kan? Just now over here. Kita sama linear. Anyone? Wait.
Yes. Yes.
This one lah, right?
Ya.
Okay. Sorry. Okay. Is it? Alamak, why did I'm stuck here?
Yeah. Cikgu, I think you're lagging.
Yeah. Wait, yeah. Okay.
Thank you for your patience, yeah, guys. We can give teacher just a minute, okay? Thank you, Ravi. Teacher, we can't hear you. Is everything okay? Yeah, teacher, we can't hear you. Yeah, I think teacher drop out again. You can just wait for a moment, guys. Thank you for your patience. Let's just give a minute to teacher to come back. Okay. And meanwhile, maybe I can play some video for you guys.
I'm a first-year medical student in IMU.
Hello everyone, my name is Ravina and I'm a first-year medical student at IMU.
SPM played a crucial role in shaping my leadership skills by providing numerous opportunities for involvement in extracurricular activities and also student organizations. By participating in all of these roles, I developed crucial organizational and communication skills that have been invaluable in my transition for my tertiary education.
I had ample opportunities to participate in events, projects, clubs and societies when I was at Cikgu. These opportunities have boosted my self-confidence and provided me with valuable knowledge and experiences. This has helped me navigate leadership roles like being head prefect, petro leader and junior troop leader successfully.
I chose IMU FIS for its comprehensive and globally recognized health sciences education. Both IMU FIS and Cikgu prioritizes student-centered teaching, critical thinking, and also holistic education. And also, I have my sisters and brothers here.
I chose IMU's Foundation in Science due to its proven track record in producing versatile students. This mirrors the personal and professional development I experienced at Cikgu. Apart from that, IMU's student-centric approach provides extensive academic resources and dedicated lectures.
My most memorable experience will definitely be teaching mathematics to children at a local shelter home. It has improved my communication and teaching skills and also gave me a sense of accomplishment seeing the kids' enthusiasm for learning.
For me, the best experience was the friendships I made. Meeting with friends before practical sessions to grab breakfast and spill some tea if you will, created memorable moments, and these friendships continue as we pursue our degrees at IMU.
I am happy with my choice of the FIS Pre-U route as it provides a solid foundation for my journey to medical school. It has also helped to enhance my academic knowledge and also critical thinking.
IMU's FIS program made my transition into medical school smooth. The content learned during FIS was a great foundation for more complex medical studies. FIS has been a great stepping stone for me to realize my dream to practice medicine.
I actually chose IMU because it is a well-recognized medical university in Malaysia and it is also globally recognized. IMU also provides simulated patient sessions which allows us to practice our clinical skills early on.
I decided to pursue medicine at IMU as it has an excellent reputation and countless years of experience, providing one of the best healthcare education in Malaysia. My positive experiences, such as dedicated lecturers, holistic teaching and learning methodologies, as well as the outstanding facilities, further bolstered my decision to pursue my undergraduate degree at IMU. They also gave me a scholarship, so that definitely helped.
If you would like to join us in the medical field, I would strongly encourage you to take advantage of practical sessions and extracurricular activities provided in IMU, as they will help you develop as a well-rounded student and as a future healthcare professional.
Making great use of both KDU and IMU's resources and intensive student mentoring will help you grow into a holistic student with distinct skill set, as well as set you forward into your journey.
Okay, I guess teacher is back. Thank you so much for your patience, guys. Cikgu Faizal, are you there? Teacher, are you still lagging? Cikgu Faizal. Cikgu Faizal? I can't hear you. Thank you for your patience, guys. I'm trying to get Cikgu Faizal back. He has lots of things to share with you, especially on at the end. He wants to share with you the areas to focus on. So, guys, please stay tuned, stay put. Thank you.
Do you want to learn more? Connect with us today by visiting our website www.imu.edu.my.
Hello everyone, welcome to this short introduction recording about IMU Dietetics with Nutrition program. I am Dr. Kanimoli Arasu and I'll be your moderator for this session. Along with me, I have Professor Dr. Winnie Chi, the Dean of School of Health Sciences and Professor in the Division of Nutrition and Dietetics to talk about studying dietetics with nutrition in IMU. Without further ado, I'll pass the session to Prof. Winnie. Over to you, Prof.
Thank you very much, Dr. Kani, and a very warm welcome to our listeners. Now, just allow me to share my slide, and we will be talking about, we'll be talking about the dietetics degree in IMU.
So, Prof, can you let us know a bit more about what is the program Dietetics with Nutrition at IMU about?
Sure, sure, Kani. So this degree is a Bachelor of Science Honours in Dietetics with Nutrition, and it's a 4-year degree. We also have a
Halo, Cikgu, boleh tak?
Ya.
Oh,
Baik.
apa? Ada
Baik.
echo. There's an echo.
Ya.
Cikgu, ada another device login ke?
Is it?
Cikgu, are you there?
Hello.
Yes, Cikgu,
Yes.
we can hear you.
Hi. Okay. Yeah. Nice.
Thank you for your patience, everyone. Terima
Okay, sorry.
kasih.
Tu dia. Okay. Everyone can see my screen? Share my screen.
Yes, yes. I can
Okay.
see your
Oh,
screen. Yeah.
sorry. Ada technical error. Okay. So we are going to our linear inequality over here. I think this one.
Cikgu,
Yeah,
can
yeah,
I
yeah.
suggest maybe you can off your video because you are lagging.
Okay.
Yeah,
I start the video.
you can
Okay.
off your video. Yeah, thanks.
Already. Not yet. Dah ke, Brian?
Yeah, saya it's your screen is freezing there. Image, yeah, okay, sudah off, sudah off.
Sudah off,
Boleh.
Sudah off.
Yeah.
Okay. So, go to the next slide over here. Just now. Okay. Yang ni boleh nampak, Brian, eh? This one can see, right?
Can, no
Can.
problem. Can
Okay.
see. Yes.
If I start ke lagging, you just let me know. I didn't
Can,
know.
no problem. No
Okay.
problem. I will let you know. I'm here.
Okay, so sorry. Okay, so we are going to look at our next questions over here about our linear inequality. Okay, saya padam balik dah tadi yang saya sembang sorang-sorang Oh, no one listen to me. Okay, so we are going to have over here, Hanis want to buy some roses plants and some orchid plants. Okay, the price for a roses plant and an orchid plant are 10 ringgit and 50 ringgit respectively. Okay, for this one, like our uh, matrix question, what you are going to have over here is going to be for our so over here, this is going to be for your x equation, x unknown and y for the orchid. Okay, so we are going to look at our questions over here. Write 3 linear inequalities. Okay, so we have the second sentence over here. The price for a roses plant and orchid plant are, okay, given over here 10 for our roses and 15 for the orchid. And if you look over here, the question say that she has 600 to spend. Okay, what you are going to do over here, we are going to have x plus with our y. Okay, if you look over here, 600 to spend means that she's not going to be more than 600. There's going to be overspending, right? So it's going to be less than and equals only for our first inequality over here. Okay, for first inequality. Okay, next one. The number of plants bought must be at least. Okay, over here we have at least 40. At least 40 means that it cannot be less than. Okay, for both of our roses and also the orchid. X plus with y cannot be less than 40. So it's going to be more than. Can it be equals? Yes. Okay, with 40 at least. Okay, the next one we have over here is going to be the number of roses plant is at most as the same. At most at the same means that the roses plants over here is going to be less and equals. Okay, with our orchid. So you have over here 3 of our inequality. Okay, we have 3 inequality with the correct inequality symbol. Okay, then for our questions B over here, okay, we are using our graph paper. Okay, by using a scale of 2 centimeter to 10 plants on the x-axis, okay, and 2 centimeter to 5 plants on the y-axis, draw and shade the region which satisfy the above system of linear inequality. Okay, if you look over here, okay, just now I have my graph paper already. Okay, so what we are going to do over here by using the scale given. Okay, the scale given over here, it say that it's going to be 10 centimeter, 2 centimeter to 10 plants. Okay, so I'm using the first one over here for our x-axis. This is going to be your x-axis, 2 centimeters. So you are going to have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. Okay. And then for your y-axis is going to be 2 centimeter to 5 plants. Okay, so I'm going to have over here 5, 10, 15. Okay. So over here. Okay, done. Oh, sorry. This one. Okay. So I'm going to use the equation we have over here. It's not equation, this is inequality, right? Okay. So if you look, it's given the x plus y is going to be less than and equals to 600. So if I have 600, wait. This is 10x lah, class, sorry. 10x and 15y. Okay. Because it's given the price, right? 10x plus with 15y. Okay, this one, if you look over here, I'm using 600. So if you look at our equation given, the scale we have over here, I cannot use 600. Okay, means that I'm going to simplify. Okay, I'm going to simplify for my first inequality there. So the first inequality that we have over here is 10x, 15y with 600 over here. So what I'm going to do over here, we are going to simplify. For the first equation, I'm going to have, if I divide by 5, right? 5, so you're going to get 2x with 3y is going to be, so 600 divided by 5, I'm going to get 120 for the first equation. Okay, for the first equation. First inequality, sorry. So what we are going to do over here, okay, I'm going to have my at least, okay, from my inequality, I'm going to have my equation lah, okay. Later we are going to have our inequality to shade the region, okay. So if you look over here, I'm going to have 2x plus with 3y, I'm going to have equals to 120. For the first one over here, what I'm going to do, I'm going to have my, okay, at least 2. At least 2. So I'm going to have over here, which is my x is 0. I'm going to have my 0 over here. And the other one is y is 0. Okay, why I'm using 0? Okay, it's going to be the easier one lah. Easy one, which is I'm going to have my y value, which is when yx value is 0, you are going to get 3y equals to 120, which means you are going to get your y here is going to be 40 straight away. Okay, same goes when our y is 0. So you're going to get your 2x equals to 120. So you're going to get your value for your x over here is going to be 60 straight away. Okay, so you have 60 and 40. So if you look over here, your x is, y is going to be 40. Alamak, not more. Okay, this one 40. So I'm going to get my first plot over here. When x 0, y 40. And then for the second one over here, when my y is 0, I'm going to get my x here is going to be 60. So this is going to be my first line over here by using the equation. Okay, my first equation over here. Okay. Some of you say, how about the region? Wait, the region we are going to refer to the inequality we have over here. Okay, what I'm going to state over here is my graph first. Okay, that's gonna be the first one. Okay, next one, what we have over there is x plus y is going to be more than and equals to 40, isn't it? Okay, so what you are going to do over here, x plus y, we are going to have over here more than and equals to 40. So what you are going to do over here, I'm going to rearrange, going to get back this one as my equation, which is I'm going to have over here x plus y equals to 40. So this one also, if you want to use the what we call the table also can. If you don't want to use the table also can, because this one is more easy, right? When your value x is 0, you are going to get your y also going to be 40. When your y is 0, so you're going to get your x also going to be 40. So I'm going to have over here for my second one is going to be 40 with 40. How did I get? Like I say just now, I'm using my what we call table to plot, right? X, Y. So I'm using 0, 0. So you're going to get 40 and 40 straight away lah. So I got another straight line over here. The second straight line we're going to get. Oh, sorry. Okay, the second straight line. Okay, you have already the second straight line. And the third one. The third one, where is it? X is going to be less and equals to y. Okay, how about this one? This is by using your equation x equals to y, isn't it? This is the most, what we call, the most easy, right? When your x is 10, your y is going to be 10. When your x is 20, okay, so means that I got already this one, 10. And also I'm using the other color lah. Okay, 10 and then 20 and 20. Yeah, I have two plotted there. Okay, then I'm going to straight away by using our ruler. Okay, so you are going to have the third one over here. Okay, so if you look for our first, second, and the third equation, we already have in our graph. Okay, now we are going to have the region. Okay, the first one, just now, okay, we have this one. 2x plus 3y less and equals to 120. Okay, like I stated just now, is going to be lesser. So where is it? It's going to be this one. This region. Okay, less. And then the second one we have over here for the inequality, x plus y is going to be more than. So you are going to have this one, more than. Why did I put only that one? Because the region is going to be in there. Because you are going to have your three inequality. So you are going to have in our three line there. Okay, the second one we have over here, x equals to y. So you are going to have inside here. So we are going to have less than and equal. So is going to be in our area over here. Y is going to be more than, right? So it's going to be our region is going to be this region. We are going to shade the region there. Okay, this is going to be for your 4 marks given. Okay, next question. Find the minimum and maximum number of roses. Roses, we are going to find the roses. Roses, just now you state already is going to be your x. So means that we are going to find for our x value. Okay, if Hanis bought 24 orchid plants, means that this one is going to be for your y value. So by using our graph over here, if you look, you are going to have for your y-axis is 24. Okay, where is going to be our 24? Okay, if you look over here, we have our, this is our y-axis, right? Okay, we have our graph over here. The scale given over here is 2 centimeter is 5 units, right? So means that if 2 centimeter is 5, so means that there are going to be in our 2 over here is going to be 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so it means that 24 is going to be over here, this one. Okay, how do I know? It's going to be 10, 5 divided by 10 of our small square there. So it's going to be for one square, it's going to be 0.5. So means that you are going to have your y here is going to be over here. Y equals to 20, 24. So like the question state just now, we are going to find the x. So if you look over here, the minimum value you are going to get is going to be over here. The first one here is going to be, okay, this one, the value you are going to get. The second value we are going to get is going to be over here. Oh, I'm going to get middle, this one. Okay, so if you look, you are going to have this one. Okay, this one, y here is going to be 15, 16. Okay, this one, the second one, I'm going to get 20, 24, 25, sorry. Okay, the minimum is going to be 16 and the maximum here is going to be 20, 25. I'm going to get this one. Okay, this is how you are going to get another 2 marks there. So there are going to be for our linear inequality. Okay, so straight away, go for the next one. Okay, this one for our linear, persamaan linear serentak. Okay, this one just now lah. You are using the elimination, or you can have your substitution or the matrix form. Okay, this one, if you look over here, the question here, it didn't, no, it gives to us the instruction using substitution or elimination. So by using only two methods, can we use the matrix? Cannot. Just now, it's asking for us to use metric method. You cannot use substitution or elimination method. But for this one, you have to use the substitution or elimination. Okay, what we have over here, same like our matrix. Okay, you are going to have from our situation here into, you are going to get your two equation. Okay. The school co-curriculum unit will hold an annual camp at the Madani Camp Center. Cikgu Murugan and Cikgu Shafiq were assigned to provide transportation and they choose to rent 2 buses. Okay, so we have over here bus M first. Okay, will be taken by Cikgu Murugan together with 36 students and 3 others teachers. While bus N will be taken by Cikgu Shafiq together with 34 students and a school staff. The total fare for bus M is going to be 2150 and bus N is going to be 1875 respectively. Okay, so you are going to have for bus M first. Okay, for bus M, we have who? Cikgu Morgan. Okay, it's going to be for the teacher over here together with 36 students. So we have over here 36 students and 3 other teachers. Okay, so if you look over here, we are going to have for 2 fare over here. Okay, calculate the fare for an adult and a student. Okay, means that I'm going to have this one, my student over here, using the other color. Okay, so Cikgu Morgan, of course lah, adult, right? So I'm going to have my adult over here as X and for the student over here as Y. So Cikgu Morgan, 1. Other teachers is going to be 3. So 1 plus 3, I'm going to get 4x, which is 4 adult, right? And also we have 36y, which is we are going to have for the student there. Okay, the bus M over here is going to be 2,150, right? So I'm going to have over here straight away is going to be equals to 2,150. This bus N, okay, bus N over here, if you look, is going to be by Cikgu Shafiq. Cikgu Shafiq is going to be 1 adult, okay, school staff. So it is going to be 2 adults. So you are going to have 2x. How many students with Cikgu Shafiq? Is going to be 34 students. So you're going to get over here 34y. Okay, how much fare is going to be over here? Is going to be 1,875. So I'm going to have over here is going to be 1875. So you are going to have over here two of your linear equation. Okay, so it's up to you. Either you are using your substitution or elimination. For me over here, I'm going to do the elimination lah. Which one you are going to eliminate? If you look over here, I'm going to eliminate the x. It's more easy, right? So you can use over here the first equation. Okay, this one first equation. This is going to be your second equation. So the second equation, I'm going to times by 2 because I'm going to eliminate x over here. So means that you're going to get over here your second equation. I'm going to have 4x plus with 68y equals to 1875. If I times by 2, I'm going to get 3,750. Okay, from the second over here, I'm going to get my third equation. So like I said just now, I'm going to eliminate. So if eliminate over here, of course lah, the bigger one is going to be our third equation. I'm going to minus with my first equation. So 4x minus 4x, okay, done already that one. So 68 minus with 36, I'm going to get 32y equals to 3750 minus with 2150. I'm going to get 1600. So if you look over here, you are going to 3y pula. 68 minus with 36 just now is 32. Yeah. Okay, so 1600 divided by 32. I'm going to get my y over here is going to be 50. Y is going to be what? Y here is going to be for the student. Student fare, right? So now we have our student fare already. So you have to find your x value, which is for adult. So for adult over here, you can use either first, second, or third equation there. So we are using the second equation lah. It's more easy. Okay, so 2x plus with, we have over here 34. Substitute back, our y here is with 50 equals to 1875. So if you look over here, I'm going to get 34 times by 50. You are going to get 1,700. So 1875 minus with 1,700. I'm going to get my 2x over here is going to be 175 divided by 2. So 87 ringgit and 50 cents. This is for adult, for the adult fare. Okay, so it's more easy lah for you to use. It depends. Sometimes substitution also going to be easy. It's going to be depends on your equation. Okay. This one is our quadratic. Okay, quadratic you know already, right? For in the form of ax squared plus bx plus c, this one. And then we are going to get factorization. This one by using your calculator straight away lah. Calculator straight away, isn't it? Okay. Okay, this one we have, okay. This one we have the situation over here. Okay. Diagram shows a right triangle. Okay, right triangle PQR. So you see over here, form a quadratic equation in terms of x. Okay, in terms of x. So if you look over here, if I want to form a quadratic equation, what must I have? If you look over here, is it going to be our what we call area? No. Because I'm going to form a quadratic. Quadratic, like I say just now, in quadratic form, ax squared. Square over here, if you look, we can use what? Pythagoras theorem. Because we have what over here? Right angle triangle. Pythagoras theorem is going to be, if you look there, we are going to get our 2x squared. Okay, this one remember, 2x squared plus with our 4x, 2x plus 7 square over there, you are going to get equals to our 4x plus 1 square. Okay, so what happened over here? Of course lah, we are going to expand, right? So this one you're going to get 4x square. This one, be careful. You are going to expand this one. Just now is more easy, right? Okay, so for expand this one, 2x and 2x, I'm going to get 4x squared, 2x and 7, you are going to get 14x. This one also 14x, and then 7, 49. So you just copy back this one. We are going to get 4x squared plus 28x plus with 49. Okay, then for the second one, the third one there, I'm going to get 4x plus 1 square. Okay, so over here, 4x, 16x square, plus with 4x, plus with 4x, plus 1. So just copy back over here, 16x square, plus with 8x plus 1. Okay, so everything in the form of our quadratic, we are going to equals to 0. Okay, so if you look over here for 16x, if I bring to the left side, it's going to be negative. So 4x and 4x, I'm going to get over here negative 8x squared. And then 28 and 8 over here, I'm going to get plus with 20x. And then 49 minus with 1, I'm going to get 40. 48 equals to 0. Okay, so depends lah. If you want to make your x for the square there is going to be positive, so you are going to have 8x squared minus 20x minus with 48 equals to 0. Okay, so this is in the form for our first one over here, form a quadratic equation in terms of x. Okay, next one, calculate the value of x and find the okay. First is going to be calculate the value. Okay, you have to find the value of x. And then you are going to substitute the value of x to find the perimeter. Okay, sometimes the question is asking for you to find the area, right? Okay, this one straight away lah. I'm using my calculator. When I'm using my calculator, you know already how to find, but you are going to show the factorization actually. So if you look over here, 8x squared minus 20x, this is going to be for our A, this is going to be B, this is going to be C. So by using my calculator, okay, so I'm going to get my x over here. The first x is going to be 4. The second x I'm going to get over here is negative 3 out of 2. So what happened over here? You are going to have in factorization. So the first one, I'm going to get x minus 4. Okay, the second one I'm going to get is 2x plus 3. Okay, if you look over here, the relation you are going to get this one, you are going to get 2x times x, you're going to get 2x squared, isn't it? So means what? Over here, we are going to simplify. How did I'm going to get from 8 over there become our only 2? That is going to be divide by 4, right? So if you look over here, you are going to get your equation, quadratic equation just now is going to be 2x squared minus 20 divided by 4 is going to be 5x minus 12 equals to 0. That's going to be the relation over here lah. So you are going to have the value of x. This one you are going to ignore. Alamak. Okay, this one you are going to ignore. Okay, so the answer for the value of our x over here is going to be 4. So you're going to get your x over here is going to be 4. That's for the first one. And then we are going to substitute with the value everything here. So you are going to get the first one, 2 times 4, 8. This one, we are going to get 2 times 4 is going to be 8 plus 7 is going to be 15. And then this one, you're going to get 4 times 4, right? 16 plus 7 is going to be 17. So plus altogether 8 plus with 15 plus with 17. So the answer, the perimeter we are going to get over here is 40. Okay, the perimeter we are going to get over here straight away is 40. That's how we are going to get your 6 marks. 6 marks is going to be consist from our quadratic just now. Quadratic, we are going to have 2 marks. And then when you will find a value for your x just now, it's going to be another 3 marks and 1 more marks. 2 more marks over here with the value for x, and the perimeter is going to be another 1 more marks. Okay. Lot of questions. Okay. This one also going to be theory graph. Okay, this is going to be the new chapter in KCSM, right? Okay, so we are going to look at the questions over here. Okay, Asila plans a vacation with her family in Port Dickson. She has seen some interesting location with the distance, which is among the preferred location to travel around Port Dickson. Okay, so if you look over here, it's given to us the destination. Okay, or the destination is given over here. Pantai Teluk Kemang tiket, ikan bakar IB, Museum Tentera MT, Alive 3D double A there. Okay, then we have over here Taman Tema TT. Okay, so it's also given to us the distance between our vertex over here. Okay, so what we are going to do, complete weighted and non-directional. Weighted and non-directional means what we are going to do over here, we are going to do the what we call the according to our table. Okay, hence determine the shortest distance from Teluk Kemang to Taman Tema Wild West Cowboy. Okay, so what we are going to do over here, okay, I'm going to take this one straight away to our table there. Okay, so we have already Teluk Kemang done. Our IB don't have there. Okay. Teluk Kemang to IB got. Okay, got. Okay, so means that I got another IB. Don't have that. Ikan bakar. MT we have. AA we have. And also we don't have our TT. Right. So we have over here 5 vertices. Okay. After that, from 5 vertices, TK to MT done. This one done. AA to TT. AA to TT we don't have. So I'm going to have this one. Is your ruler. This one you are going to get your 5. Okay, distance over here. Weighted. No. Okay, done. MT to AA got already. TK to IB. Okay, this one don't have. So you are going to have this one straight away is going to be 14 over here. Okay, weighted. Okay, so this is going to be 14 kilometer. Okay, TK to AA. TK to AA. So you're going to have this one straight away. Okay. It's going to be 22 kilometer, and IB to TT is going to be 6. Okay, this is going to be 6. Done. Okay, that's going to be for your weighted and non-directional. Okay. Also, it's asking to for us to determine the shortest distance from TK. Okay, it's asking from TK, Teluk Kemang. Okay, you are going to look over here, Teluk Kemang, to Taman Tema Wild West Cowboy just now is going to be our TT, this one, Taman Tema, TT. Okay, the shorter distance is going to be where? If you look there, it didn't say about the, this one only weighted, non-directional. So if you look over here, 14 plus with 6, straight away, I'm going to go to TT. So I'm going to get this one, 14 plus with 6 straight away is going to be 20 kilometers. It's going to be the shortest way, because it didn't say that we are gonna some question is asking for us to do all the vertices, right? All the places there must what we call must follow all the direction. Okay, so this one, if you look the second one, okay, Asila and her sister drove their car from Alive 3D to Medan Ikan Bakar. Asila stopped at Wild West, while Zakia got lost and drove through the road to Military Museum. Calculate the difference. Okay, so by these questions, it's going to relate with our this one. Yeah. Oh, sorry. I need to take this one. Okay. So using these questions back. Okay, what it say? It say that, okay, Asila from Alive 3D art to Medan Ikan Bakar. Okay, Asila stop at Wild West Cowboy Theme Park. Wild West is going to be which one? Wild West just now? Wild West, Wild West. Oh, Titi lah. Okay. Asila and sister Zakia drove their car from Alive 3D to Medan. Alive 3D. Alive 3D mana? AA. Okay. Alive 3D to Medan Ikan Bakar. Okay, so they are going to be start from here. Start here. This is going to be start. Alive 3D to Medan Ikan Bakar. So stop here. Okay, start and stop. Okay. Asila stop at Wild West. Wild West Cowboy Theme Park first. Okay, there are going to be theme park over here. It's going to be TT. While Zakia got lost, okay, means that Asila is going to be over here first. Okay. While Zakia got lost and drove through the road to military museum. Okay, so her sister is going to be like this. Okay, so this is going to be for Asila. So means that Asila straight away lah to Ikan Bakar. So means that for Asila, you are going to get 5 plus with 6 kilometer. We are going to get over here 11 kilometer. Meanwhile, for the Zakia here, she got what? Drove to military museum, right? MT. And then from MT here, she's going to, of course lah, they are going to be to Teluk Kemang. And then she's going to Ikan Bakar. So for Zakia, we are going to get is 18 plus with 7 plus with 14. You are going to have over here 18 plus 7 plus with 14. I'm going to get 39. So if the question here is asking for the difference, so 39 minus with 11, you are going to get here is 28. That's going to be for the difference. Okay. I think I'm gonna go straight away to our, can we go straight away to this one? Okay, I'm go to the plan and elevation. Okay, for plan and elevation, because this one is quite a lot of marks, right? For plan and elevation. So first thing first, what you are going to draw over here, depending on our plan and elevation, which means plan is going to be from our upper side. Okay, for elevation, dia ada dua, depan atau sisi, right? But this one Sonsang sisi. Sonsang sisi cannot. Which one? If you look over here, the one here cannot, because this is the correct one. The other, yes, you can have that one, but for our D here, cannot. Okay, cannot. Okay, that one going to be Sonsang sisi, cannot lateral. That one. Okay, so we look at our question. Okay. Okay, that one. Okay, go straight away. Diagram 7 show the composite of two right prism with a rectangular base, ABCD, and the triangular ATS. Okay, respectively, with lies on our horizontal plane. Rectangle BCKJ is an inclined plane. Okay. Rectangle FGME and HJKL are horizontal plane. The edges AF, HG, QT and RS are vertical. AS equals to PR equals to, okay, that one don't have, I think. AS, there, don't have. Over here. A to S over here. Okay, equals to P to R. Okay, it's given over here, 4 centimeter. Okay. Other than that, none. Okay, so the question. Okay, we have, okay, this one. The first one we have is draw to full scale the elevation of the solid on the vertical plane parallel to TAB as view from X. Okay, when view from X, this is going to be our front view. Okay, for my advice, when we are going to have, no need to draw the eyes. Okay, first thing first, you are going to have what? At the back there. the opposite one. I'm gonna get this one first. This is what you are going to have at the back there. Okay, this is the first you are going to draw. And then what we are going to have is going to be the same lah with the front one here. Why did I need to determine first at the back first? Because I need to know, is there any unseen line? If um, uh, the shape is going to be same, so there are no unseen line lah. Okay, and then if you look over here at the back, there is going to be RS only, but this one you are going to get lah. First one here. Other than that, none. Okay, other than that, none. So this one is more easy. You just draw back all the form there. So I'm going to have this one, but of course lah, you are going to have the same measurement. Okay, accurate measurement. Okay, which is ED is going to be if you look over here, ML is going to be 2. So it means that this one is until here. And then down here is going to be another 2 centimeter, which is our P to A over here is going to be from R to D, and not R lah. It's going to be in the middle there. Okay, this one another 2. So we are going to get from E to D over here straight away is going to be 4 centimeter. We are going to get that one, 4 centimeter. Okay, EM given 1. ML, LK. Okay, for the one, this one, KC, no need. Okay, you are not going to have the measurement there, but we are going to get our C to D over here is 4 centimeter. Okay, so all over there, and then after you get your DC, and straight away we are going to have our K to C there. And then for this one, only 2 centimeter and 3 centimeter lah. Okay, that's what we are going to have in our drawing over here. So straight away 4 centimeter. Okay, this one 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then straight away this one is going to be 1 centimeter. Okay, 1 centimeter. And then go down here another 2 centimeter. Brian, is it okay we extend a little bit more?
Can, no problem, teacher.
Okay, another 1 centimeter over here. Okay, so I stop that one. And then at the bottom, straight away, we got another question here. Oh, a little bit. Okay. Sorry. Okay, this one is 4 centimeter, isn't it? So I'm gonna get this one is 4 centimeter. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so for our K and C, we just connect the vertices there. Done. Okay, and then for your QT there, okay, that one is going to be 2 centimeter, isn't it? So this is going to be another, sorry, 3. For this one is going to be 3. Alamak. 1, 2, 3. Okay, over. Sorry. Okay, this one is going to be your 2 centimeter. No problem. I think I can bring it. Okay. No problem. Just let it. This one another 2 centimeter. Okay, 1, 2. So why did it more big? I think because I just now zoom in, zoom out, I think just now. Okay, zoom in, zoom out is quite sensitive just now. Okay. Okay, we go for the next one over here. Sorry. Okay, this one view from Y. Okay, view from Y, if you look, like I say to you, I'm going to see at the back. Where is our over here? This one. Okay, you are going to get your what we call that one is going to be the same with our in front here. PR over here actually. Okay, it's like macam bila kita tutup kan, you are going to have Q to P, T to A, R and S is not moving there. Okay, and then what we are going to have also is going to be what? This one. This is going to be the surface that are going to you are going to have what? You are going to have unseen line, which is your if I got over there, it's going to be our PR there lah. PR, okay? PR or Q to R there is going to be our unseen line. Also going to be your RS. RS also going to be unseen line there. Okay, but for our QR and PR, actually, you are going to get that one, this one. At the front here, you are going to get your GML over here. Okay, which means this one, okay, is going to be at our PE, FE, and also P there. Okay, the red one there. And for our incline in front here, actually the incline one, this one, okay, you are not going to see incline. Okay, yang ni dia macam kita bawa dia ke belakang. You akan dapat dekat hijau tu. Okay, means that they are going to be the first thing I'm going to draw not at the back there. Just now I say to you that I'm going to draw the back one, right? But this one is going to be different situation. Why? Because the green one is going to be bigger, right? So I'm going to get the green one first. So the green one here, I'm going to get A to D is going to be same with our B to C here. It's going to be 6 centimeter. So I'm going to get this one 6 centimeter first. Okay, 6 centimeter, which is the green one here, 6 centimeter. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 centimeter. And then from our A to F over here is going to be same like we got just now. Is going to be another 4 centimeter. Okay, 4 centimeter. You're going to get this one. 1, 2, 3, 4 centimeter. So what we are going to have over here actually rectangle lah. Okay, get straight away. Okay. Okay, the rectangle that you are going to get for the first one over here. Okay, so if you look, like I say just now, that you are going to see the pink one, the red one there, GMHL. Okay, there are going to be 2 centimeter, that one. So it's going to be in the middle here, 2 centimeter, this one. Okay, so straight away, you are going to have a straight line because that one can be is going to be solid line because it's going to be the purple one is going to be the incline one is going to be on the bottom there. Okay, if you look, which one we are going to get our unseen line, which is dotted line? Which one? There, at the back here, this one. Because our QR just now is going to be same with our HL there. QR is going to be with HL, JK. Same. So this one, you are going to have your RG there, which is 2 centimeter, which is we have just now is going to be from A to S over here just now 4 centimeter, isn't it? So means that we are going to have our 4 centimeter first, this one. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4 over here. And then I'm going to have my dotted line, this one, for our R to S. RS there is going to be the only unseen line. For QR, PR, okay, actually that one is going to be at our HL and also JK line there. Okay, that are going to be your seen line actually. Okay, so this one, be careful with your unseen line. Unseen line is going to be dotted line. Okay. One more questions. There are going to be a lot of marks over here. Is going to be your gabungan transformasi, or is gonna be your previous one, which is translation. We have our reflection. Translation, you know already, is going to be with our x-axis and y-axis. Our reflection is going to be your axis of reflection. For the rotation, just remember ACD, okay, angle, center, direction. And also for the enlargement is going to be for Q. Why did I say Q over here for our scale factor? Because it's going to be image over object. And you must know about the center. That's going to be for the transformational. Okay, I just go through over here for our financial mathematics. This one in our lower form. In our lower form, you must remember back your faedah mudah. Okay, simple interest, compounded, ROI. Okay, the return on investment. This one for the monthly payment. Monthly payment, you are using the amount that we are going to have over here by using the formula of P plus PRT. Okay, then we are going to divide by the monthly over here. Okay, next one is going to be for our tax. Tax over here, what I stress over here is going to be more on our cukai pendapatan. This one. Okay, for our cukai over here, please remember how we are going to calculate. Okay, how you are going to calculate for your pendapatan bercukai. After we are going to minus with our pengecualian and pelepasan cukai. And then to calculate, you kena rujuklah jadual, and then remember for the pendapatan bercukai is not less than 35,000, is going to be rebate for 400, and also for zakat also we are going to minus that one. Okay, this one I just go through a little bit. Okay, insurance. Okay, for insurance, this one, remember back how to calculate your motor insurance. Okay. Okay, this one for form 5. Okay. Histogram. Hisham tak kisah. What does it mean by histogram? Okay. We know that for histogram, some of you might not remember what is histogram. Just see this one. This one. So you are going to have your bar chart, right? Why Hisham tak kisah? For histogram, we are going to take what? For our x-axis, you are going to have T there is going to be for titik tengah. This one. T. Titik tengah, midpoint. We are going to have our midpoint for our x-axis. And then kisah. This is for your kekerapan, for your y-axis. Okay, this is going to be for your frequency, for your y-axis. Hisham. Okay, for our polygon kekerapan, okay, so we are going to get this one. This one. Okay, Portly tak kisah. Portly is what? Portly is polygon kekerapan lah, this one. Portly. Okay, polygon kekerapan. Still going to get, this one is going to be your midpoint. We are using midpoint. Okay, tak, that one is going to be at our x-axis. Kisah over here, still same. You are using frequency at our y-axis. And for the OGIF over here, this one I'm using the different, this one, F over here. So we are going to get the graph over here is going to be like that, like F. Okay, OGIF. Okay, this one using OPA second lutut. O is OGIF lah. Okay, OGIF. Okay, and then SA. Why did I use SA there is a capital letter? Sakit. SA over here is going to be sempadan atas. Okay, so you are using this one, sempadan atas at our x-axis. And we are going to, sorry, this is going to be for your y-axis. Sakit, right? Sempadan atas. X lah, sorry. X-axis. And low to LO. Why low? This is going to be for your kekerapan longgokan. Okay. I'm using this one lah. Hisham tak kisah for histogram. Pokli tak kisah for polygon kekerapan. And or give over here for our opah sakit law tu. That's for sukatan serakan. Okay, so for the other one, this one is going to be for our, okay, this one only. Okay, so I think that one only, Brian. Because I need to, Brian?
Yeah. Hi,
Yeah, yeah,
teacher.
yeah. Yeah. I think, is there any more yang saya nak kena ni?
Yeah, ataupun students, do you have any questions? Any more questions?
Can I get recording of this class? Ada kan?
Yeah. Other recording, don't worry.
Uh,
Any more questions? Yes, in Q&A. Okay, let's look at the Q&A. The students were asking, can you explain the kebarangkalian part?
Wow, I got the question kebarangkalian, luckily.
Oh.
Okay, kebarangkalian. Okay, here the questions. The question here about the kebarangkalian. Okay, in Selangor, our trial is what we have our tree diagram. Okay, tree diagram. But this one I'm not going to discuss about tree diagram. This one I got over here. The question here is from, if I'm not mistaken, this one is SBP, if I'm not mistaken lah. Okay, what we have over here, the diagram, it shows 2 cards in box A, 4 cards in box P, and 5 cards in box Q. Okay, we have three, sorry. We have 3 different boxes over here. Okay, look at the question. A card is picked at random from box A if the number card 6 is chosen. Then another card is picked at random from box P. Okay, so we have over here card 6. So you are going to have from box P. If the number card 6, okay. If the letter card H, okay, we have another one here. We are going to have our H card. Then another card is picked at random from box Q. Okay, that's going to be the condition given over here, right? Okay. By listing the outcome at an event, okay, find the probability that both cards are labeled with letters. Okay, of course, if you look over here, card 6 already, we are not going to state. Why? Because card 6 here is going to be number. Because the question here is asking for letter. Letter obviously is going to be with card H. Okay, so means that you are going to have only H lah. Because this one, if you look, the box A here, you are going to have H. And then we are going to select our box Q. We have H, we are going to go for box P, right? So you are going to have over here as box Q. The question here given to us that both cards are labeled with letters. So we are going to have HL, HM, and HN. So the question here is asking for us to listing first. So you're going to get HL, listing, HM, and also HN. This is going to be for the listing. Okay. And then find the probability. Okay, for find the probability, this one we have already the event over here is going to be 3, right? Okay, so how to get our sample space? Okay, if you look over here, we are going to get the sample space over here. When we have our 6, you are going to get box P. Means that this one you're going to get 6, 1, and then we have 6, 8, 6F, 6K. That's for the if you are going to select for our box A. Okay, 6. When we have our H over here, you are going to get everything there. H5, everything. This one is going to be for our sample space. H9, HL, HM, HN. Okay, So there are going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So our sample space over here going to be 9. So you are going to get for our probability here, we are going to get 3 over 9, or we can simplify as our 1 over 3. Okay, for the second one here, a card is labeled with a number and another card is labeled with a letter. A number first. A number. It say over here a number. So a number, just now we know that we are going to get what? 6. So we go for 6. And then another one is letter, right? So a number and another card is labeled. Oh, okay, sorry. We are going to get a number and letter. Number cannot. Number letter. That's it. We are going to get this one, 4 of it. Okay, so we are going to list down over here. To list everything, you're going to get 6F, 6K, H5, H9, okay. And then after you list, you have already, the probability is going to be 4 over 9. Okay. Okay, another Q&A here, Brian. If it's necessary to write RN 10 ringgit, what if I write 10? No problem. Will my mark is be that deducted? Okay, this one I answer, Brian.
Ya, boleh. Ya.
Okay, this one I don't know the who's name over here. Okay, this one no need. Okay, no need to write. Okay, how to get lulus or credit? What topic should I study? Okay. Mira, what topic is only my recommendation over here, okay, for my student also lah, for topic that I need you to focus more here, because for the just now, for the histogram, polygon, kekerapan, and all this one sukatan serakan, this one for the graph, okay, and please look also at our transformasi over here. And also this one, plan dan dongakkan. This focus more because this one a lot of marks in this topic. Okay, in this topic, a lot of marks. But for the others, if you're asking me to lulus, just focus more on your Form 4 and Form 5 lah. Okay, Form 4 and Form 5. Which topic? For the paper 2, this is the topic that I just told you. Can you explain how to find center? Okay, center of rotation. Center of rotation, I don't have the question over here. But this one, by using, just I orally speaking this one, for the center rotation, okay, center of rotation, you just use the what called Nazi, the method of Nazi. You can Google that one. Cikgu Yasir, Cikgu Yasir also got the method. You can have it in YouTube. Okay, or you can use the other one method is going to be for the 90 degree by using your two ruler transprotector. Okay, you can use. Teacher, can you share this all file for us to revise back? Oh, this the file. Okay, all the question here I can give it to Mr. Brian later.
Yeah.
Mr. Brian, I can give it to Mr. Brian using the PDF file lah. No problem, inshallah.
Thank you, teacher. Okay. Teacher, I'm not sure if you have answered this question. Targeted chapters. Focus on doing import. Yeah, I think you addressed it already.
Yeah.
Okay.
Sempatkan, can you sempatkan the start, but ada lagi yang tak faham target credit. Oh, this one. Mira, okay, tak faham target credit. Oh, this one, like I say just now lah, Mira, macam saya cakap tadi lah, nak target tu untuk you nak dapat kredit tu, saya tak boleh nak bagi exact answer lah this one. But you can focus more lah, like I say just now, to target lah untuk you dapat kredit kan. You boleh tengok dekat sini apa, untuk kredit lah for paper 2, like I say just now, you just get 50 marks, and paper 1 you get 15 out of 40. Out of 40 lah. You can target that one. Okay.
Yes. Yes. You can do it. We all can do it.
Yeah. But for my advice, target higher lah. You
Target
target
higher.
higher.
Yes. That's
Yeah.
right.
Okay.
Get A plus. Get A plus.
Yes, that's
Okay.
our target.
How about teacher? We do one final question.
Okay.
Yeah. There is a question in Q&A. Can you explain about how to calculate cash flow?
Cash flow. Okay. This one, if matematik kewangan cash flow. If I look over here, this is Roy. Cash flow don't have. Okay, I don't have. Okay, cash flow over here. This is in our form 4. Form 4 questions. Okay, cash flow. That's going to be depends on our first one is going to be your pendapatan. Pendapatan going to be there are going to be two. Okay, active and passive. First, you have to know this one, active and passive. Okay, from the question. I don't have the question, sorry. Yeah. Okay, and then we are going to add up all the how much you are going to gain over here for the pendapatan, and then the other one you are going to have is going to be your expenses. Okay, perbelanjaan. Perbelanjaan, this one is going to be also two. Perbelanjaan, this one is going to be if I'm not mistaken, Allah Akbar. Perbelanjaan, this one, they are going to be two. Tetap, yes, fixed and not fixed. Tetap and tidak tetap. Okay. Okay. This one, sometimes the question is going to be looking at our cash flow, you are going to have negative. If you are going to get negative after you are going to deduct from the pendapatan with perbelanjaan, you are going to get negative. Okay, negative cash flow. Okay, maybe the question is going to ask you how we are going to make our negative cash flow over here become positive. Okay, so you are going to target over here at our expenses, look for the tidak tetap. Tidak tetap, this one is going to be the monthly commitment over here. For tetap, you are not going to have for the installment. Okay, that one cannot. For tidak tetap, yes. Like our grocery, petrol, that one can. So for the cash flow over here, you are going to have for the pendapatan minus with the perbelanjaan, then you are going to have for our cash flow. This one, sorry, Brian, I don't have the question. I just
No worries. No worries.
I just answer
Yeah.
generally lah. This
Yeah,
one.
I think it's well explained. And I think it's not complicated. Pendapatan is your income. Perbelanjaan is your expenses. That means you need to minus it, and then whatever is left is a
Yes,
positive
it's
cash
gonna be
flow.
about
Whatever
cash
it
flow.
is lacking is a negative cash flow, right? Yes,
Yes.
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 Okay. I guess there are no more questions. And before we end our session today, Cikgu Faizal, do you have any final words for our SPM students?
Okay. Okay, so for my what? Final. Okay. For last minute study, untuk last minute ni just focus more on your what? More on your paper 2 lah. Like what I said that paper 2 is going to be consist more of our or the marks given over here. Okay, so focus more if can, okay, if can focus more on the question that I just told to Mira just now, which is for the graph, okay, for the transformation. The graph there is going to be for the graph function also can be, you can stress more there. Okay, and then other than that, for the for paper 2, for paper 2 for section C, there are going to be 2 questions actually, but you are going to select only one. Okay, for paper 2 section C, you look at the question first. Look both question. Okay, yes, you can answer both of it. Yes, but the examiner only take one, the highest mark. Okay, but what I'm stressed over here is you are not going to waste your time. You are not going to waste your time on our section C over here. You are going to look first which question you can do. Which question with the highest mark lah in the both of question there. Okay, then you are going to focus to answer that in our section C. For section A and section B, of course, section B they are going to be the graph. Definitely they are going to be graph, but I don't know lah which one is going to be coming out. But focus more on the scale, and then don't forget the what the shape of the graph, what are going to use if in our what measurement of dispersion just now, like I said, histogram, polygon kekerapan, and ogive. Don't forget about the x-axis and y-axis, that one. I think that's all of Ryan.
Yes, thank you
Yeah.
so much, teacher. Thank you
Okay.
for your time, and students, apologies for technical error earlier.
Yeah. So sorry,
But,
that one.
but teacher already, extended way beyond. And Cikgu Faizal, terima kasih. Thank you so
Terima
much.
kasih. Terima
And
kasih.
I
Thank you
think
very much
Cikgu
for
Faizal,
this opportunity.
yes. And also Cikgu Faizal will be sharing with me the PDF file. Whenever I
Yes.
got it, I will be sharing with you guys. Thank you so much for all students who attended and stayed until the end. And one more reminder, students, tonight we have our final SPM final spring class, which is the subject of sejarah. Okay? So students, you don't want to miss it. It will be conducted by Cikgu Shima.
Yeah.
All right. Terima kasih semua orang. Terima kasih Cikgu Faizal. And now our webinar will stop here.